and welcome folks, Sky Pilot here. Today I'm not going to do any flying because it's raining. However, whoops, it's not the camera. I am going to talk to you guys quickly about a bit of a problem that I've had. What do you do when you've got some drones? I've laid a couple of mine out here, the JRC, the JD20, which everyone's going to know is empty because I lost it. She's lost in a tree. Yeah, have a look at that video up there if you want to see what happened to the JD20. I'm going to head out there tomorrow when I finish work to try and find it, as we've had some pretty shocking weather here. Hopefully it's blown down from the tree it was hiding up. Anyway, cut to the chase. The Tello here, big problem with the Tello is how do you carry it around the place, especially when you have bits and pieces affiliated with all your drones. This is just a small collection I've got of bits and pieces from some drones and some other drones, and you know, you've got your motors, your props and stuff that you think you might need if you go out in the field, because you can bet your bottom dollar if you haven't got it you're going to need it. So what do you do with all this crap, all these spare bits and pieces? Well, I had a hunt around, and I've done some homework, and I found the problem for you, or the solution to the problem I should say. Now here's one of them, link in the description where I got this from. It's just a little bag, I know, it's just a bag to put bits and pieces in, spare batteries, cables, SD cards, chargers. However, there are a couple more surprises here I'll get to shortly. So talking about the Tello, which is the drone I'm flying the most at the moment, you go for a flight in this little baby here and you end up having to take your T1D remote with you, your drone, your bits and pieces, your Mi Wi-Fi extender, your additional power pack here, run out of power, then you got your storage issues, then you got your phone, etc, etc. So I had a hunt around and found what I think is a box that I can use to store the Tello when we're going away. So again, link in the description where this came from. Let's just rip it open without ripping my hand. I'm not too sure what this is here. Oh, excuse the mess. Let's have a look. Ah, okay. So this is another utilities bag, I'd call it. Utilities, yeah, something you can put your crap in. Ooh, immortal. Don't really know what that means, but anyway, it's got a little tag on it, and lots of Chinese writing, obviously, because that's where it comes from, China, like most things. But this one's pretty cool. So let's have a look here. Oh, nice, nice, soft, feely stuff. Okay, so we can put our cables in here, batteries, spare thingies, some more spare thingies, more cables, nice little rubber thingy on the zip there. So we've got a spare compartment there. So that closes up and zips up. Another zipper here. Okay, so we've got another breathable, zippable compartment, and we've got another little area where we can, looks like we can move things around in there. Terrific. Using some, so like I was saying before, I had some camera trouble. Yeah, chuck everything together. Everything's in a nice little portable, handy spot, so you can just carry it around. However you like, sort it out yourself, but it's certainly better than taking a backpack or something like that and having everything disorganised, which is annoying. Now, one more here. This is the one that we're after. Put here a Tello case. Here's hoping anyway. Link in the description, of course, where this came from. Ultimately it came from overseas, some little island country called China. Sorry, country, not island. So straight away, hey, pretty good feel to it. pretty robust. I suspect it's got some shoulder straps in it. Nice little rubber zippers. The zipper's always a problem on these types of cases, because like the JJRC one here tends to fail pretty quick. However, this one looks pretty strong, looks pretty robust. A little retractable handle there, pretty cool. So that's straight away looks better. Okay, let's get into the guts of it. So what I'm hoping this is going to hold is my drone. Ooh. Is my drone and the remote. So shoulder strap, yeah, you're going to want that. Well, the truth will be in the testing. Okay, so here's our Tello with the prop guards on. Ooh, nice fit, very good. GameSir remote, 2 out of 2. Does this have a proper way, one rail or the other way? Ooh. Okay, no. Okay, so camera facing that way. Otherwise it doesn't fit in, so it just fits in the one way. Pretty cool. What else we got here? What else do you venture out with your Tello? Couple of batteries, so looks like one slots in there nicely, and I have 2 obviously slots in there. There you have it, folks. That's pretty cool. A bit of a bend in the lid, which hopefully will disappear in time. Just try and make that a bit lumpy again, right spot. There we go. So now we can go carry our Tello around without worrying about it getting damaged. It's quite a hard little case. Yeah, this cost, I think it was about 21 bucks Australian. There you go, mate. Good stuff. From China, free shipping. If you have a Tello, yeah, absolutely worth it. This looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. So that's going to sit in there for now on. And we're going to go out and see if the sun's out and see if we can mess around. Okay, hey, quick unboxing review of a couple of bags here. Mainly for the Tello. Pretty popular drone at the moment, so I think this is the only one on the market that has this type of soft spongy stuff to put the Tello in. There's some other foam cutout ones, but be wary because it doesn't actually fit the GameSir Bluetooth in. This one is actually made for it, so it's a perfect snug fit. So yeah, this is the one to buy. Absolutely. Alright, any questions or anything like that? Yep, drop them down below. And thanks for your support, guys, with everything. Things are going pretty good. Getting some subs up, and hopefully I'll find that drone that's up a tree somewhere, and I'll let you guys know how that adventure unfolds. So, hey, have a great day, morning, evening, night, and I shall see you in the sky. Bye for now.